The Samsung Galaxy A56 is set to bring a new era of artificial intelligence-powered innovation with its highly anticipated features. One of the standout capabilities is artificial intelligence-driven text summarization, allowing users to condense lengthy content with just a tap, making information more accessible and easier to digest. Another exciting feature is artificial intelligence-powered photo editing, which enables users to remove unwanted objects from images effortlessly, enhancing the quality of their shots without the need for third-party apps. Additionally, the Galaxy A56 is expected to include intelligent battery management, optimizing usage patterns to extend battery life and ensure efficiency throughout the day. Powering these artificial intelligence capabilities is the new Exynos 1580 processor, designed to handle tasks intelligently and smoothly. Furthermore, the device is rumored to support 45-watt super-fast charging, providing users with quicker charging times and less downtime. With awesome intelligence at its core, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be a mid-range smartphone that offers premium-like artificial intelligence experiences. As we await its official release, these expected artificial intelligence enhancements hint at a more intuitive and efficient mobile experience for users. However, it is important to note that this information is based on news and rumors. Take this with a pinch of salt, as official details will be revealed when the phone is officially launched. Samsung's next mid-range phone is coming, and it looks sleek. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A36 5G has just been revealed in fresh, official-looking images. While we recently saw renders of the Galaxy A56, a 36, and a 26, the latest leak highlights the only mid-range phone Samsung plans to launch in the US. The new images, first shared by White show the Galaxy A36 5G in 4 colors: black, white, light purple, and green. Samsung is expected to market these shades with its signature awesome branding. The design is slightly refined compared to the Galaxy A35 with thinner bezels, although the bottom chin remains a bit thicker. A key highlight is the modern Infinity O display, which gives the phone a premium feel. The back of the device has also been redesigned, featuring a dedicated camera island for its 3 sensors, while the LED flash sits outside this section. Samsung is also expected to introduce new AI-powered features in the A36 and A56. Interestingly, the company has trademarked the term awesome intelligence, suggesting a new software experience may launch with these phones. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.